Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. For this episode, product review. Let's get to it. From the company Vevor, we have a new polisher and this is what we have in the package. Foam pads, cutting pad, another pad, towels, polishing or waxing pad, charger, and here is the battery, and fully charged. Instructions. And the polisher. This polisher from Vevor is the part number BA7162. This is a 20 volt 50mm throw and on a 6-inch plate, one battery. Probably we'll see if that one is gonna be enough for a whole car, and this one on no load, meaning not polishing, just freely spinning. It's gonna be 2300 rpm to 3800 rpm without load. The good thing is that this battery is fully charged, so we can test it right away. This is a dual action polisher. A speed controlling here, the knob goes all the way to 6. And this is what I like about these polishers. You have the trigger and the control knob in one hand, and you have a locking button. You press this button and you can have it working at all times. 20 volt battery, and it grips really good, not too heavy, not a lot of vibration on it. Let's put it to a test. Let's see how good this one is gonna perform. In my garage I have this GMC Sierra Black Widow edition. This one, I think I did a polish about a year ago, and this is how it looks now. Pretty rough, especially these over fenders, and they're plastic. Paint looks not too bad, but definitely went to a lot of automatic car washes because this paint was really good last year. I'm gonna do a little test on this fender. I know this is plastic, but let's see how the machine is gonna perform. I'm gonna use the cutting pad. This pad and the complete compound from Griot should do the job. And I'm just gonna do one step. Let's see how it looks. To do a polish, this one is always my compound to go, complete compound, because you can do one pass and you can make the paint look about 70% better. Depends on the pad that you're using, but for the most part, this one is my go-to when I have to do this process. Speed 1. Let's start on the speed 5. I'm gonna use one of the towels that came in the kit. Now let's see how it looks. It looks better, but definitely it needs a second pass just to remove all that because it doesn't look shiny. Now I'm gonna change to another pad just to polish, because this, it was a light cutting, but this is how it looks now and that's before. Big difference. Yep, definitely need another pass. But it did well. That's why I like to use complete compound. That's my go-to when I have to do a polish. And this is a cutting pad. I'm gonna change to a polishing pad, finish this fender, and then do the rest. Same complete compound. Now it needs a little bit more. You can see a little hologram in there, but it did really nice. Black paint and plastic is one of the hardest, so I need to do one more step just to remove the hologram, make it look shiny and better. But you can see remove pretty much all the scratches, the light scratches on it. You can see the difference of damage is in here, and this is what we get with 2 steps. And now I just have to do that 3 more times, but I'm gonna leave the link in the description for this polisher for 2 steps in there of what we did. It's still full. Probably for a truck like this, 2 batteries they're gonna be enough, because if you want to do 2-step paint correction, you're gonna need more than 1 battery. Get an extra battery, but I'm gonna leave the link in the description for this polisher from Vevor if you wanna get it. I'll leave it with this, guys. I hope you like this episode. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you on the next one. Peace.